Hey guys, Ryan Nitzen with Cycle News Magazine. Today we're out at Glen Helen Raceway testing the 2021 and a half KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition. What's new for this bike for 2021 is the new connectivity unit and the My KTM app. So they've entered the smartphone app game where you can actually adjust the ECU settings from your phone. Yamaha has had this technology for the past few years, so really cool to see KTM coming out and trying to compete in that market as well. What's really cool with KTM in the Factory Edition is you do get a lot of added parts with the bike. So you get exhaust, clamps, wheels, a clutch cover, pull shot device. So there's a lot of added features that are really cool that come on the bike standard. And another thing, this is the 21 and a half, so this is likely to be what comes standard on the 2022 model from the dealer. So we're out at Glen Helen today. We just downloaded the app to our phone and we're going to go through all the different settings and really see if we can feel a difference when we ride it out on the track. Alright, so we just finished up riding the 2021 and a half Factory Edition. You can see it's pretty dirty in the background. We got some good time on that today. So we're just going to go through the app, kind of what the big changes are and what the hype is all about. So what we really like, there's two different kinds of settings on here. There's a Prime and an Advanced. We stuck to the Advanced setting today because it gives you more options to mess with. You can set the name of the app, so you can specific for each location that you ride at. You can change the track type. There's gravel, hard packed, and sand, so you can set those, dry and wet conditions. And then further down in the app you can mess with engine braking, throttle response, traction control, and launch control. And then you can also add personal notes if you like a certain setting or you don't want to mess with it a little bit more. Each of these settings has 5 different notches, you could say. So 1 being light and 5 being heavy. So you can take engine braking all the way heavy and have the most amount of engine braking, and you can match that with the lightest throttle response or the most aggressive throttle response. So our setting today that we liked was mid throttle control, mid launch control, and we took the engine braking down to 2 and the throttle response up to 4. So a good mix between a nice hit, nice responsive throttle, but also kind of take the engine braking down. So coming down the hills, so here at Glen Helen, you can carry your speed a lot longer. Going up some of the jump faces, you can kind of leave it on, or coming off a landing, it doesn't hit when you land. You really carry your speed through. So really cool. We're going to keep messing with this app and really find like a perfect setting. So we have this saved as our Glen Helen. It's overcast. It was pretty damp today. The track was actually really good. So this is going to be our Glen Helen setting, and then we're going to save this and move on to our next track and do another one there.